Welcome to Sam Tech, your go-to channel for the latest insights into the world of technology. Today, we're exploring how machines are revolutionizing industries and helping us achieve incredible growth in our work. Robotics has taken manufacturing to the next level by ensuring unparalleled precision and efficiency. These machines can perform intricate tasks with consistency, reducing human error and boosting productivity. The integration of AI with robotics allows factories to operate around the clock, fulfilling large orders with speed and accuracy, thereby driving business growth. Precision agriculture is transforming farming by using technology to optimize every aspect of crop production. Drones, automated tractors, and sensor-driven irrigation systems ensure that resources are used efficiently, leading to higher yields and lower costs. This technological advancement enables farmers to meet the growing food demands of the world while maintaining sustainability. The construction industry is being transformed by smart machines that bring intelligence and efficiency to the job site. Automated bulldozers, cranes, and 3D printing technologies are enabling faster construction with fewer errors. These innovations not only reduce labor costs but also allow for the completion of complex projects within tight deadlines, driving industry expansion. Machines in healthcare are enabling precision medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual patients. From genetic testing machines to robotic surgery systems, these technologies are improving diagnostic accuracy and treatment outcomes. This personalized approach to healthcare not only enhances patient care but also allows medical facilities to handle a larger number of cases with better efficiency. In the logistics and supply chain industry, automation is key to enhancing operational efficiency. Automated sorting systems, robotic palletizers, and AI-driven route optimization tools are streamlining the movement of goods from warehouses to customers. These machines help companies manage high volumes of orders with accuracy, reducing delivery times and improving customer satisfaction. Smart office technology is redefining productivity in the workplace. Automation tools like AI-driven scheduling assistants, smart lighting, and automated climate control systems create an environment that maximizes employee efficiency. By reducing time spent on mundane tasks, these technologies enable employees to focus on high-impact work, driving overall business performance. Electric vehicles (EVs) are revolutionizing the transportation industry by providing a sustainable alternative to traditional vehicles. With advancements in battery technology and autonomous driving, EVs are becoming more efficient and accessible. These machines reduce the carbon footprint and operating costs, making them a key player in the future of sustainable business growth. Machines in the renewable energy sector are crucial for the transition to a sustainable future. Solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems are becoming more efficient and affordable, allowing businesses to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. These technologies not only contribute to environmental conservation but also provide long-term cost savings, fostering sustainable growth. Retailers are using robotics to enhance the shopping experience and streamline operations. From automated checkout systems to inventory management robots, these technologies are making shopping faster and more convenient. By reducing wait times and ensuring that shelves are always stocked, retail robotics helps businesses improve customer satisfaction and increase sales. The deployment of 5G technology is revolutionizing communication by providing faster and more reliable internet connections. This increased connectivity allows businesses to operate more efficiently, with real-time data transfer and improved remote collaboration. The adoption of 5G networks enables companies to expand their reach and compete in global markets more effectively. Automation in food production is essential for meeting the demands of a growing population. Machines like automated processing lines, quality control scanners, and robotic packaging systems ensure that food products are produced at scale without compromising on quality. These advancements help food manufacturers meet strict regulatory standards while reducing costs and waste. The mining industry is leveraging automation to improve safety and efficiency in resource extraction. Automated drills, remote-controlled vehicles, and AI-powered monitoring systems reduce the need for human labor in hazardous environments. These machines not only increase the speed and accuracy of extraction but also minimize the risk of accidents, ensuring safer working conditions. Warehouse automation is transforming how businesses manage inventory and fulfill orders. Automated storage and retrieval systems, along with robotic pickers, maximize space utilization and speed up the order fulfillment process. By adopting these technologies, companies can manage larger inventories and handle more orders efficiently, supporting business growth. The textile industry is experiencing a renaissance thanks to automation. Machines like automated weaving looms, dyeing robots, and quality control scanners ensure that fabrics are produced with consistent quality at high speeds. These innovations allow textile manufacturers to meet the demands of global markets while maintaining high standards of quality. Educational technology is empowering students and teachers alike by providing interactive and personalized learning experiences. Machines like AI-driven tutoring systems, virtual reality classrooms, and adaptive learning platforms cater to individual learning styles, making education more accessible and effective. These tools are preparing the next generation to thrive in a technology-driven world. Digital media machines are enabling creators to produce content with greater efficiency and creativity. Advanced video editing software, animation tools, and virtual reality platforms are pushing the boundaries of what is possible in film, gaming, and digital art. These technologies allow creators to reach larger audiences and generate more revenue, fueling the growth of the entertainment industry. Financial automation is transforming the banking and finance sector by reducing the need for manual processes and improving accuracy. Machines like automated trading platforms, AI-driven fraud detection systems, and digital payment gateways are making financial transactions faster and more secure. These technologies enable financial institutions to offer better services to customers and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about how technology is shaping the future, be sure to subscribe to Sam Tech for more exciting content. We'll keep you updated on the latest innovations that are transforming the world around us.